Hey guys, and welcome to SmartPhotoReviews channel. Today we're gonna show you one interesting product. It's a Joby three-way camera strap. It's an alternative strap for cameras that can replace the straps provided by camera manufacturers, which are ordinary and sometimes not that much comfortable to wear. Very sturdy and not elastic and so on. This is Joby three-way camera strap. As the name suggests, it has three ways of carrying it with your camera on it. I will show you these three ways a bit later on. Now first let me say something about the elements or main specifications of this camera strap. As you can see, it has a butterfly screw mount here, and on the other side it has a rubberized plate that screws on your camera or battery grip thread, where a quick release plate for mounting your camera on tripod should go. So you can use either this camera strap or quick release plate for a tripod, not both at the same time, of course. This butterfly screw is very good in quality. It facilitates the attachment to your camera. Also, you have one little button here that is gray up here and red from this side. It's the button for releasing the strap and making it longer to fit around your neck or on your shoulder. That's how it looks like when it's completely elongated. If you want to shorten it, you just release this little button and it goes inside, it goes back on its own. So let's see three ways of carrying this camera strap with your camera. First, you can use it as a wrist strap. Then you can make it longer and use it around your neck or on your shoulder, either one of your shoulders. So let's see now how this strap looks like when it's mounted on your camera. You have to tighten it on the battery grip or on the camera thread for mounting a quick release plate for the tripod. You can mount it either directions, it doesn't matter, but for me it seems most comfortable to mount it with the strap facing the back of the camera. So you tighten it good, and then you can use it as a as a wrist strap like this, which is very practical, and most of the times you will use it like this. When you carry your camera further, and you can release the camera strap and put the camera on your neck, or if you prefer it more, on your shoulder, and carry it like this. Let me show you when I stand up. It goes like this on your shoulder, or like this on your neck. So it's very practical. It's very useful, and it's in our opinion much better solution than the proprietary native camera straps made by camera manufacturers. So that's about it, about this interesting product. It has only two downsides of this product. The one is that you have to mount it where quick release plate for the tripod goes, so you can use either this little camera strap or your quick release plate for your tripod. And the other downside or little flaw of this strap is maybe its price, because it's around 30 American dollars or 30 euros depending on the market you buy it from. So it's not that cheap, but it's a great solution, great alternative. So if it's something that it's interesting for you, we can really recommend it. Thank you for being with us these several minutes. Please, if you like what we are doing, consider subscribing to our channel or hitting the like button, or both. It's the best. And until next time, we wish you all the best, and bye bye from SmartPhotoReviews channel.